How to turn off USB storage problem in WhatsApp. So there are multiple solutions for this problem. Let's start. So first solution will be just simply go to your settings, and this is for Android. And after you go to your settings, you need to go down, go to your system. Okay, if you are using an Android, you will have these settings like this. Okay, after you go to system, then you need to go to this developer option. So this option may not be visible for some users. I will also show you how you can get this option. Just go to developer option, scroll down, and there will be this USB debugging. If this is on in your case, you just need to turn this off. And for those who don't have this developer option, I will show you how can you get this developer option. First, simply go to your settings, same settings, then go all the way down. There will be an option called about your phone. From here, just go down, and then you will find this option software information, and you need to tap here. Okay, there will be a symbol, sorry, you need to tap this build number like multiple times like this, or maybe 10 times, and after that you will get this developer option on your device. Okay, this is how you get this developer option. So this is the first step you need to do in order to fix this USB storage problem. The second step will be simply go to your settings again, and then go to apps, go to your apps and open WhatsApp. And from here you just simply need to clear your cache. Okay, just simply clear your cache, and that's it. This is the second step. You know how to fix this problem. The third step will be go to your Play Store and just search for WhatsApp and find if there is any update. If you have an update, that simply turn on the update. And the fourth step will be if there is any USB device connected to your phone, if there is any device plugged into your phone, just simply turn it off. And then you need to turn off your phone as well. Just simply after that restart your phone, and hopefully these steps will fix your USB turn off storage problem fix.